Now, this is the realest way to get wealthy. I'm talking about rich. It'll lead you to the road of real estate, to being an entrepreneur, to being a millionaire, a billionaire, to the stock market. It'll open up doors that you never thought about getting to. I swear to God. Now, it's gonna require a little bit of money and a little bit of work. But I promise you guys, it takes this much effort and the reward is this big. Now, I am currently, let's say if we playing a video game and we got a meter like this, I'm about right here. I'm 80% almost to my goal. So I want y'all to start off and understand it's a process. All this shit about 3 days, 2 days, a week, all this bullshit. Most of y'all teenagers are in your 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s. If it took you 20 some, 30 some, 40 some years to fuck up your life, it's gonna take you at least a couple of years to get back right. Let's see it like exercise and cardio. Yes, you've been a fat fuck all your life. It's not gonna take you, let's say you're 30 years old, it's not gonna take you 30 years to get it off. But if you work harder than you did with being lazy, in 2 or 3 years it'll be off, but not in no month or two. You'll see results. But keep working on it. That's how it is with following your goals. But I ain't here for no motivational speech. I'm here to tell you exactly how to do it. And especially for my black community. Because this is how everybody's getting rich. It's a guaranteed way to be successful, to be rich. Little disclaimer. I have a channel with almost 100,000 subscribers. It's called Global Drippin. That's GLOBAL with the dash DRIPPIN. You can follow me on all my platforms. It's pinned up in the comment section. Follow me on TikTok. Follow me on YouTube. Follow my music. All is in the description. What I got pinned up. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook. It's all the same. You don't want to see my Snapchat. That's some nasty OnlyFans shit. But if you guys interested in getting money, you women interested in getting money, but you thinking about dating, I have a whole dating channel called Global Drippin. Y'all, that channel lit. 100,000 subscribers. People going crazy. You feel what I'm saying? I give it to you raw and gutter over there. But let me get straight up into it. Sorry for holding y'all for 3 minutes. All right. If you waited this long, you's a lucky motherfucker. What would I do if I was you? If I was a teenager, I was in my 20s or 30s or 40s, and I had no money, this is exactly what I would do. I would find me. I would go find me and ask me what services do I have to get rich. But let's say if it wasn't a me and I didn't provide services to get your credit right. First thing I would do is try to be an authorized user. Y'all look it up. I got videos on it. Subscribe. Y'all look it up. That's the first thing I do to establish some type of credit. You understand what I'm saying? That just means you're piggybacking off of somebody else's credit. Like I said, like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. You will understand. You won't miss on how to get no money. I'll become an authorized user. But that's on the credit side. But credit is going to get you money. So with me being an authorized user, I make sure my credit around a 560 or 6 something. I will get credit cards, which is going to probably be secured or unsecured credit cards. And you're probably going to have to put 200, 100, 300 down, or maybe not. You keep the debt to income ratio lower than 40%. I say 10%, 15% because I don't like to play around. With that said, you guys and ladies, all right. So after you do that and all of this and this and that, now you got money and your money is getting credit for it. It's getting accounted for. But let's get to the real shit. A lot of y'all don't care about the credit shit, which is going to get you money. We'll get to that. Watch to the end of the video and subscribe. But let's get straight up into how we're going to get this money. You need to find whatever you have to do to come up with almost $300. you need to come up with an LLC. This is gonna protect you. With an LLC, you can open up a business account. You can start building business credit. That's when you get the real loans. So while you're getting your credit right, your personal credit, you can get $5,000, $10,000 loans, $1,000 loans for you to be able to fund a little tiny business with an LLC. You don't have to have nothing but a sole proprietorship, or you just have a LLC, and that's gonna lead the doors to the big money. And I ain't gonna hold y'all. If y'all want more, give me 5,000 likes and 50,000 views, and I got y'all. But I'm just gonna break down this last little section for y'all. Listen, you guys. With business credit, people can't sue you personally. They can't take your personal assets. It protects you. You can do whatever you want to do with your own business. You don't even have to have a business to have a business. You can get business loan, business grants, especially when pandemics come. We got a pandemic coming now. In 2021, 2022, people took advantage of this. Man, listen, you can already have yours with an LLC. See it like this. Personal mean one, an individual. Get it? With business, you can get 8 iPhones and do the iPhone sauce instead of one, because you got a corporation. Instead of you filing taxes on you, you get a tax write-off because you have employees, even if you don't got employees. You get what I'm saying? You got paycheck stubs, even if you don't got paycheck stubs. Where it's a will, it's a way. Where it can get broke, it can get fixed. Now, I am not a financial advisor. I am not telling you nothing to do illegal. All I am saying is you guys pay attention to what you're doing and learn the loopholes. It's all about the loophole. The loophole and the glitches, y'all. When you catch it, these companies are not perfect. All they got to do is make one mistake. They making 1 million transactions a day. They make one mistake and you rich for the rest of your life. Remember, it's about transactions. It's about all that. But if you're interested in bins, fulls, CPNs, credit, repairs, verified accounts, verified cash apps, anything of that sort, SBA loans, extra taxes, hit me up at the Real Tab Flames, and I holla dollar gang.